Wairarapa TV local news for Thursday the 24th of August. Wellington City Council was left embarrassed by its neighbouring territorial authorities, according to ratepayers report the Taxpayer Union's local government league tables. Metrics including total operating expenses and total liabilities per ratepayer were used to assess the council's performance, with Wellington City Council often ranking worse than neighbouring authorities in the league tables. The Carterton District Council has the highest staff costs per ratepayer in the region at $1,483 per ratepayer. Similarly sized, South Wairarapa District Council employs one staff member for every 57 ratepayers at a cost of $999 per ratepayer. Masterton costs are $826 per ratepayer. Health targets improve outcomes in the Wairarapa as the latest health targets results from April to June 2017 show the Wairarapa DHB surpassed the shorter stays in ED's target, with 97% of patients admitted, discharged or transferred from DHB EDs within 6 hours. And in sport, in tonight's netball, Carterton will have a tough ask as they play Harcourts at 6 p.m. In tomorrow night's game, Celtic play St Matthews at 5:30 and Gladstone take on Wairarapa College. And Wairarapa United football are away to Palmerston North Maris this weekend after their game last week was postponed. For Wairarapa TV Local News, I'm Brent Gare.